Let me tell you a hard truth. The person who hurts you wants to see you break. They want to see you doubt yourself, question your worth, and feel small. And right there, in that moment, your victory or defeat is decided. But victory isn't found by bowing down to them. It's found by rebuilding yourself and standing tall. Lowering your head in pain isn't failure. All that. But stopping because of the pain, that's where the real defeat lies. Crying isn't a sign of weakness. Breaking down is not wrong. There's only one real mistake you can make. Staying stuck exactly where you fell. Don't waste your energy trying to prove yourself to the one who hurt you. Don't try to explain yourself. Instead, change yourself. That is the strongest, loudest answer you can ever give. So, how do you rebuild? There's only one way. Work on yourself, silently. This isn't about grand announcements or dramatic gestures. It's about quiet, consistent effort. Talk less, work more. Focus on 3 core areas. First, improve your skills. Whatever it is you do, get better at it. Read, practice, learn. Second, strengthen your mindset. Your mind is a muscle. Train it to be resilient, positive, and focused. Meditate, read books that challenge you, and surround yourself with people who lift you up. And third, build discipline. Discipline is the bridge between your goals and your accomplishments. It's doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. Start fixing these 3 things, one small step at a time. As you start to change quietly, something interesting will happen. The person who hurt you will start to feel uncomfortable. Why? Because your silent progress is the most powerful statement you can make. It burns brighter than any angry words. This quiet growth isn't for showing off. It's for becoming the person you were always meant to be. One day, that person will see you, and they'll realize you're no longer the same. There's no begging in your eyes, no desperate explanations in your words. There's only self-respect in the way you carry yourself. They'll see a strength they never knew you had. But here's the secret. That strength was always inside you. It was just asleep, waiting for the right moment to awaken. You see, pain doesn't have to destroy a person. For many, pain is what awakens them. If you're feeling pain right now, it means you can still feel. And if you can still feel, you can still rise again. It's proof that you're alive and that your story isn't over. So please remember this. Bowing down is not the solution. Seeking revenge will never bring you peace. But rebuilding yourself, that brings a quiet, profound victory that no one can ever take away from you. The person who once tried to make you feel small will one day become completely irrelevant in the incredible story of your growth. They'll just be a footnote in a chapter you've long since finished. Think about it for a moment. Is there someone in your life whose pain ultimately made you a stronger person today? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content to help you build your best life.